जी
अबू अहमद
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, brothers. We are now on Ri'us Sahwa. This is, we're still up on the mountain, but from here the descent starts. And this is the way the Prophet ﷺ had traveled through. So if you look towards my right, you will see that it's descending and it continues to descend right up till Madinatul Munawwara. The next location is known as Abar al-Mashi. So the Prophet ﷺ is, also have passed through that. There's a small village there, so we will cross through that village inshallah. And after that is Hamra al-Asad. Hamra al-Asad was that place where a battle took place after the battle of Uhud. Immediately after the battle of Uhud, another Ghazwa or Saraya that took place was at Hamra al-Asad. So the Prophet ﷺ on the way to Hijra had also passed all these regions. So inshallah we'll continue walking upon this path, and very soon inshallah we will be in Madinatul Munawwara. Everyone is ready for this? Inshallah.